In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate payment link in Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure customers no longer use an outdated or unintended checkout link. All without disrupting the rest of your Stripe setup. First, open your Stripe dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for Payments. Click it, and then select Payment Links. This section lists every payment link you've created, whether it's for a one-time product, a subscription, or a donation flow. If you manage multiple links, take a moment to use the search bar or filters to narrow down what you are looking for. Clear naming conventions can really help here, especially if your team creates links regularly. Next, find the specific payment link you want to stop. You'll typically see the link's name, its status, and when it was created. Double-check you've identified the correct one. Verify the product description, price, or any internal notes you rely on to tell similar links apart. This quick review helps you avoid turning off the wrong link and interrupting an active campaign. When you are sure, look to the right side of that links row for the 3 dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click it, then choose Deactivate. Stripe will show a confirmation pop-up so you can confirm the action. Read the message carefully so you understand the effect. Once deactivated, that link becomes unusable, and anyone who tries to open it will no longer be able to complete a payment. After confirming, you'll have the option to customize the message that customers see if they visit the deactivated link. This is a great place to set expectations. Keep it short and clear, something like "This link is no longer active." You can add a brief nudge to direct customers to your main site or store page, or to reach your support channel through your usual contact path. Plain, friendly language helps reduce confusion and keeps your brand voice consistent. Take a moment to verify the status change. In the payment links list, the link you deactivated should now show as inactive. If that link was shared in emails, social posts, or on your website, remember it will no longer process payments. Consider updating any places where the link was posted so customers are guided to your current checkout experience instead. That's it, simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your payment flows clean and up to date.